Where? Okay.
8186 to Macau. Will all passengers
May dadaan ba?
in Q70 for good morning. Thank you.
What? What happened to you? Huh? Wow, what's that? Sorry. What's that, guys? Go, smile. 1, 2, 3. Go! Yes. What are you eating there, Grace? Good. What? Grace. What?
Ng kape mo.
What's that? Butter?
I'll eat it. I'll eat it, huh?
What are you doing? Where's the 7-Eleven? Where are you going, Grace? Huh? Grace? Grace?
Say hi.
Where? Oh, you walk na again.
That one was the Merlion na oh.
Where's the Merlion?
Water.
What? What happened?
What happened to the eyes?
Of what?
Of the lion.
What?
Of the lion.
What? What's the name of the lion?
The eyes. What happened? We did that.
Grace, go to the Merlion. Go. You go there. You go there na. Are you tired na?
Mommy's tired also. May tayo na dito sa mamaya. Ikaw lang ang araw, no?
Oh, say ah, like that. Going to ride this one.
7:45.
Oh. Oh, there's a train now. Let's go. Go, go to mommy, go.
Doors closing.
We're going, guys. Come here. Where's maming? Hey. Let's go na.
Kailangan makahiga.
Oh, di higa tayo. Dito? Oh, later. You walk muna with mommy. Guys, so what I'm holding? Snacks. Oh, let's go na. Let's go na, guys. Let's go. We're going here nga eh. Follow mommy. Go to mommy. What? Grace. Where's the flash, Grace? This one is your flash.
I fart.
You fart? What's the sounds of your fart? See?
So pick a spot, grab your cameras, and enjoy the show.
Oh. What's that? Who's singing?
What is that?
I feel good. I knew that I would not. So good, so good. I got you. When I hold you,
that?
Come on.
Oh, wait. What's that? Grace,
I don't know.
you ask mommy. What? You ask mommy.
What's the name of Nicole, Mommy? Where are we going, Mommy? Nicole?
Doors are closing.
Oh.
Mommy, see you now.
You reach? Far.
Hey, Grace. Good morning, Grace. Where are you
Hi,
going?
Grace. We're going to the... We're going to the zoo. We're going to the zoo.
You're riding what? Big bus?
Big bus. Tall bus. Baba tayo mahal sa Ang Mo Kyo.
Ang Mokyo.
Ay, wait. Hindi. Baba tayo. 700B pala.
Guys. Ano yan? Thank you.
That's your necklace. Eat that.
Yes. Let's go. Huh?
Hello. Good morning, Mabulai. Salamat. Come here.
Why?
Take a picture.
Later. Oh, pag-picture sa elephant.
Bayad yata yun.
Ha?
Bayad din. Oh, let's go na, guys.
Pretend like the monkey.
Oh, let's go. I will follow you. Go. Oh, Grace, oh. There's a fish, oh. See, oh. There, oh.
Wow!
Oh, it's a mini river. Oh, there's a fish again, oh.
Wow, that's a big one.
Oh. Look the fish, oh. Oh, there's a dragonfly, Grace, oh. It's a big dragonfly. This one, oh. This one, Grace, oh. Come here. There's lots of fish in here. Oh, there's the monkey pala, oh, sitting down there. Sitting up down there, oh. There's a monkey, oh. Oh, there's a deer also. That one, oh. There's a monkey. Oh, see? They eat the plants. leaves. Where? Where? I cannot see it kasi.
This monkey and baby one. There.
Where's the monkey again? Where's the daddy monkey? Huh? Where? I cannot see.
They're all sitting there.
Ah.
And that's one monkey sitting up.
This one, what's this?
Look at that. It's a baby monkey on that.
The other one naman. Ano? What's sayang? Let's go.
Pero, Lana. Okay. Yeah, you go check the other side.
Come here. Put you up. Put you up. Wait. Oh, you see it?
Oh, yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Oh, what's that? Pelicans. Those are pelicans.
They're for me.
Okay, put it down na. Wait lang. What's that? What's that? Huh? It's a flamingo? It's a? No, it's not. It's a? What is that?
I don't know.
Pelican.
Pelican. Pelican. That one. Fox. Foxy Loxy, oh. This Foxy Loxy, oh. What's Foxy Loxy doing?
Wait, kawawa.
What's Foxy Loxy doing there? Oh. Where's Mommy? There's a penguin. Here, oh, Grace. What are they doing? What they are doing? They're sleeping, oh. Oh, that one, oh, is standing there, oh.
It's so cold. Wala po na rin.
Go there.
Welcome to our tram ride around Singapore Zoo. We are leaving tram stop soon. For your safety, please remain seated while the tram is in motion. Keep your hands and the rest of you inside the vehicle. On the right is our herd of white rhinoceroses. Rhinos are well known for their horns, which they use for overseas zoos to increase the number and diversify the rhino gene pool under human care. That on the left is the world's fastest land animal. The cheetah has a flexible spine, long legs, several questionably horns.
Oh, giraffe, oh, giraffe.
The lionesses do most of the hunting, while the male protects the pride from
Yes. So fast. Mas maganda pa pala maglakad na. Come here. What's this? Monkeys, oh. Huh? What's that? The monkeys. We look the monkeys muna. That one, oh. See? Oh. Oh. What?
Say hi.
Huh? So, ah! You want to see the elephant, guys? You go there, Grace. You see the elephant's poop? It's very big. Huh? There, oh. What's that? Come here, Grace. You look the elephant, oh. It's looking at you na. Go. Say bye-bye. Oh, it's playing, oh.
An elephant's not a tiger.
One more.
Okay.
Paso. Oh, there's Mafaso, eh. Talaga. Ganyan ang babon. Hello, hello po. Can you see their back? Okay? Oh. Oh, look, oh. Want to see? Ah. What happened to the bat of the monkey? It's the color of the bat. Huh? Pink. What? Where? Show it to me. You point it to me. What do you call that one? Beaver.
Then the eyes become like this,
What?
like that.
Where's the other one? Oh, there's one phone.
Where?
Yeah. Lying down there. See it? There's another one, oh, looking at you.
It's beaver.
No, it's not beaver. It's called this, oh. See, oh, there's the name, oh. Where? Oh, what's that? He will come back. What?
It's not calling us because it's inside the water.
What's that? It's looking at you. See? You follow him. Go.
What? You're scared?
No, I'm not.
Are you follow?
You follow him. Go.
No, later.
You point at the alligator.
The alligator. What? The other one naman. The other one. There, oh.
Because I play a sound system, that's
Yes.
why you come out.
Wow, very good. Can you see it, the tiger?
Yes, I can see it.
Wow.
Because I made the sound.
Going to swim na. Oh, going to pee. to drink na.
You're done drinking.
Hihingi talaga nila. Lampok na magaling sa buhay. Wow, this is my favorite animal here.
No, that's my favorite animal here.
Really?
Yes, I'm not scared of that.
That one?
That's jelly casting. Big casting.
Going to catch a fish?
Hungry.
Huh?
Oh.
He's pooping.
Ano ba mo lang? Ba't may ano may hangin yung
Where are they?
Why there's one?
Huh?
I'm scared of you. Oh, there. Oh, here they come.
There's a plant there.
There is a plant.
Grace, oh. The monkey's looking at you, oh. Go. There, oh.
Yes, I can see it.
Where's the Lola monkey?
Look, it's a little monkey there.
What is holding? What is holding, ah?
This is how.
That's sweet. The other one is swimming on the side. Over here.
You see the bear?
Where? Oh, yeah. May camouflage.
Nahalap ko, hindi ko makita. It's the turtle.
Yeah. Where's the house of the turtle?
Oh, that one, oh, the small one there, oh. Oh, see, oh. Oh, what happened?
Oh, here, there. Over there. Here, oh, did you see this? One, the yellow one. The shell. Another, what's the other one? You find it out.
There, oh.
Oh, dito naman. Oh, look, oh.
Oh, very big turtle,
Oh,
oh.
how many are there?
Okay, so, what's that?
1, 2, 3, 4.
What's that?
Wow,
The other
that's
one
a
here.
lot of one, so big.
It's a daddy and Lola and daddy and Lola.
Yeah, are they gonna hug? No. Just said hi.
This one pa, oh.
We're here naman. Oh, there's a ate inside.
Look what they're going.
Oh, go there, oh. This way, Grace. What's that? Okay. This one muna, Grace, oh. It's too big?
Pa.
Okay, don't be
Like
fooled by
bring.
acting, she's the troublemaker of the group.
Like you do.
Okay, so the one sitting right up there, you guys can see, right at the top, her name is Ganga. Okay, she's one of the most
Oh, no.
intelligent chimpanzee. The reason why I say that, I mean, chimpanzee is generally very smart, right? But for her, she actually knows the most of the body. Okay, so you know, we okay, oh yeah, I forgot about Jingo right in the back over there. Okay, let me share a bit about what my keepers actually doing. My keepers actually giving them sugarcane. Hello. Okay, so what my colleagues actually giving them is sugarcane. This is not their main diet. The reason why they give them sugarcane, they like it because it's sweet. Okay, so rather than that, come closer to the activity. So you guys actually see them.
Go. Look muna Mufasa. Oh, there oh. Rawr. Say rawr. You sing muna kasi. You sing Hakuna Matata. No? What? What? Oh, there's Mufasa oh. Okay. Oh, see the meerkat?
Oh yes.
Where's the other one? Huh? Wait, the other one will come out. For Hakuna Matata, go. Hakuna Matata, go.
Hakuna Matata.
You sing.
Oh, lit pala ng meerkat.
Hakuna Matata.
老是看着头来，老是看着头来，不管看那个叫啥了，这叫什么呢？
What's that? Huh? What's that? What's that? What do you call that animal? What's the name of that animal? Huh?
Reindeer.
Reindeer?
Is that reindeer?
This is zebra oh. Guys. Yo. Thank you. Wow. Hey. Where? Where are you going, Grace? Grace?
Where are we going now?
Airport again? Why? stop?
Kaya maganda pag gabi.
Gabi, wala kang makikita sa gabi naman.
Okay lang. No? At least hindi mga See you. We can see this. Yeah.
就这么淡定，这是一件落实过。
Guys, naman tayo po. Wow.
坐过来不好吗？坐过来跟他这样可以，我给串了，怎么串法？
The ocean, oh.
哇塞，看下面啊，波光粼粼，波光粼粼。哇，真的有飞翔的感觉。这一只草，
那里看到的场景这儿都看见了。
哎，那一片应该就是环球影城了。这一片星星在转的 building，就这么大。
感觉好小啊！
就是这么小吗？你以为呢？
Guys, so look guys, oh, diba? There's a big boat there, oh. Wow. See it?
是，我看见那个地球了，那个环球影城那个地球，那个门口那个大球。
那个球周围是完全空的，就是周围就感觉挤没了都。
Yes, very fast. See it? Photo look like. You want to step on the glass? Ah, okay.
There you go. You're riding the roller.
这个岛上面全是玩的东西的。
Swimming pool?
我猜那个路是
Wow.
说这里边反正是
Yes.
它这个水还是很干净的。
煮饺子，但是太晒了，我的妈呀！
我这儿这个音乐好有气氛啊！就能看这个，我觉得那个底儿的
Big
透明
slide
简直太棒了，是不是？从下往下，我从来就。
Grace, show me what are you holding, Grace? Huh? What's that? Huh? What? What?
What is this, Daddy?
It's a comb.
What is this?
Comb also. Ha? Wala ang pera eh. What are you eating, Grace? What? Let's go. Go, go.
Yeah, it's too hot. You don't want that? I'll finish it.
What's that? Wow. It's very high. You know, yes, soy.
Yes.
Yes, soy. You know, yes, So what's that? It's a very big boat. Okay. So many boats. Did you have many boats there?
That's my small boat there.
Where?
Beside the big
Oh, there's a beach there. Oh, White Sand Beach. Oh, wow. Palawan Beach.
Meron, may tao.
Palawan Beach, guys. What happened to your teeth? Nose. What happened to your nose? What happened to nothing? Oh, what happened to the boats, guys? What happened to your mouth? Malayo? Malayo?
You are here.
Ang layo nga.
Malapit lang yan.
Oh, init. You're under, go! Go! Go, you walk. Oh, like this, oh. Go, you try the other way, huh? You run there, go, go, go! You follow the one, you turn around. Come here, oh. You go there pa. Come here guys. Go, go there, go. This one, oh, this way, oh, you follow all the water, go.